there! I am so excited about this series of videos that I'm doing for the next 5 days. It is 5 days of decluttering, and one of them is a vlog and the other 4 are also taking you around my house decluttering. I really hope you enjoy this series. It's basically been designed to help you get some quick decluttering wins before Christmas and New Year. So I really hope you enjoy this series, and let's start off with a vlog of me taking my clutter and getting it out of my house.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just in the car. I've just dropped the kids off at school and daycare, and I thought I'd have a bit of a life admin day and film it for you. In fact, I'm thinking I'll film it over today and tomorrow because I've got quite a few tasks to do, and some of them I can't do until tomorrow, so I'm going to spread it out over the 2 days. And today, because I don't have either of the kids with me for a full day, I'm going to try and get some work done. I've been working on my clutter coaching business, which is coming along nicely, so there's a lot of work that I'm doing for that, and it's just easier to get that done when I can concentrate and I don't have the kids around. There's also some things though which are easier for me to do, like drop off these big boxes which are in the car, because I had it in the front seat before and it was tapping my shoulder the whole time. So as soon as I drop the kids off, I put it in the back, and I'm going to drop these boxes off at the recycling centre. I've just stopped here at the shops. There's like a little clothing donation bin. I've got some clothes I want to donate, so I'm going to pop those in the bin. And I need to go to the shopping centre and return some DVDs that I bought in the weekend to JV Hi-Fi, because I've decided I'm not going to watch them because it was just a bit of a spur of the moment impulse buy and I don't need them. And I guess I should introduce myself. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering and organising, and basically I make content to help you simplify your life and simplify your home, specifically for busy mums, but I think anyone can take these concepts and apply them to help them simplify their life, and decluttering has certainly helped me. So if that is what you're interested in, I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button and join my community. And I've also got a Facebook group on my Facebook page, Simply Mel, and the Facebook group is called Simply Mon Squad. So go over on Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to discuss all things decluttering, share stories of your decluttering journey with other mums, and get some inspiration and motivation from me, which you can't find anywhere else. I'm going to get on with it. I'm just going to check my friend because I've also got some old clothes from Bud and Toots that her daughter and son will grow into nicely, so, and a couple of little toys and things. So I've just boxed those up and I'm going to drop those off at her house. I just want to let her know I'll drop them at her door today. I need to make a doctor's appointment for tomorrow to get a prescription renewed. Got to book a hair appointment. And I need to write a list, actually. I need to write this all down because I'm going to forget. Good morning. Just got a cardboard box.
Okay, first left into the shade. I'll see you on the way out.
Thank you. Done. So that was a fail because I just realised when I got into the store and tried to put my refund back on my card that my husband had actually paid for it on his card, so they can only give you a refund back on the card that was used to do the original transaction. So I'm going to have to come back with him in the weekend and get a refund on that, because even though my card is linked to the same ATM account or EFTPOS account, they need his card, still need his card to do it. So damn. And my car still smells a bit like the rubbish tip, even though it was a recycling centre. It's landfill as well, so it stinks. So I'm going to have to drive home with the window down, and I'm going to go to my friend's house, drop that box of clothes and stuff off for her kids at her front door. She's out at the moment, I'm just going to drop it at her front door. Then I'm going to go home, make myself a cup of tea and do some work.
Baby,
I came home from doing those errands, and then I realised that the JB Hi-Fi I went to today was not the same one that I went to the weekend, and I had used the correct card to get the refund, but for whatever reason it didn't work on the machine. So I think I'm going to go tomorrow to the other JB Hi-Fi that I originally bought it from and see if I can get the refund back on my card. I do distinctly remember paying for it myself now, because I remember asking, verifying the price with the girl at the counter when I paid. For whatever reason it didn't work at the JB Hi-Fi I went to today, so I'll try that tomorrow. Full disclosure, I did buck around a bit and watch a couple of YouTube videos, have a cup of tea, have something to eat. I've updated my to-do list and I'm going to do some work shortly, but I thought I'd show you where I'm at with my to-do list right now. And so I'll show you how I've created my to-do list and where I'm up to on that. I'm just using the Notes app on my iPhone. So I've got this to-do list here, and then I just use this, I just press that little tick to get these little check boxes up, because I like to tick things off. And so I've booked my GP appointment, I recycled the box this morning, I put the clothes in the clothing bin, I dropped the clothes to my friend's house. I have to book my hairdresser appointment. She's actually a mobile hairdresser, but she has a studio, a salon as well. And so I'll see if I can get her to come to my house, because I just find that easier, because it's just a quick trim, and it's easier if I get it done at home so I don't have to travel. I wanted to clutter the kids' books while they're out, particularly my toddler, because she'll want to keep everything. I'm thinking I'll clean the bathrooms, but I might leave that till tomorrow when Toots is home with me. But I kind of don't want to clean the bathrooms tomorrow, because tomorrow's my birthday and I don't really want to be cleaning toilets on my birthday. I mean, when you're an adult, birthdays aren't that phenomenal, I don't think, unless it's a milestone birthday, so I might just leave that till tomorrow. We'll see. I also need to change the kitty litter, wash winter doona, so that's in the washing machine at the moment. Wash that and dry it so I can store it away. Got summer stuff on the bed now. For tomorrow I'll go back to JB Hi-Fi, a different one, and try and return the DVDs, get my refund. Bud needs a haircut. I need to buy some fruit and grapes and stuff, so while we're at the shopping centre returning DVDs, we'll go to the supermarket. I've got heaps of Flybuys points. I think it's about $100 worth of Flybuys points that I want to redeem for a Coles supermarket voucher, because I don't need anything else. That's on the Flybuys awards catalogue. Like, I don't need any of the appliances or anything, so I thought I'd just redeem it for a grocery voucher. I need to go online and do that. I'll need to fold the laundry tomorrow. I could do it today, but I really want to get some work done. And I need to change our bed sheets tomorrow, like wash everything and change the sheets. So that's all I can think of at the moment. I do have some decluttering stuff that I want to do tomorrow, but today I just want to get the kids' books done, because it's easier to declutter that sort of stuff when they're not in the house. And then this is like my to-do list for work stuff, and I've got some timestamps written down here on a video I've done, and I need to shoot some b-roll for that today, so that's part of the work I'm doing today. And then got to do some stuff on my website and all of that. Actually, I don't think I've shown you guys my website. So this is my website, and it's under Simply Mill Living, which is my business name, and I'll leave a link below, but it's not fully done yet. So I've got an About Me section, and I've got links to all my social media down here. I'm just using Squarespace, which I think is really nice and really easy to use for a non-techie person like me. I've just got a form where you can fill in to contact me, and a blog which has one blog post up on it at the moment, so I'll link that down below underneath this video if you want to go have a look. But there's more stuff to be coming on my website. I'm going to do some work on it today as well, so yeah, exciting stuff coming your way. Right, so I'm about halfway filming some b-roll clips for a video, and I got a text message. I got a text message from a lady. I'm selling something online and she wants to come pick it up either tonight or tomorrow night, so I'm just going to bag it up, put it on the front porch. I gave her my address and I just asked her to leave the money for it under the front doormat. So I'm just going to do that now. And I've got to add something else to my list. I just realised when I was using my label maker before in preparation for filming the stuff that the batteries ran out. And I just realised that we've got way too many AAA batteries. And my son asked me to buy some more the other week. And then when I gave them to him. He said, oh, actually we need double A's. So I'm going to take them back to the supermarket tomorrow. So I'll do that when we're at the shops. I've just about run out of time. I have to go pick the kids up, but I was so busy working away that I didn't get to any more things on my list. Before I go pick the kids up, I need to go through my toddler's books. So I went through the box in her room, and these are all the ones that I've pulled out that she doesn't really read. And then there are a couple in this cupboard here. Most of them we're going to keep. All of these we'll keep actually. No, what's these two? So these ones are really old. These are actually some of Bud's. Toots doesn't really read them. She is counting stuff and first words. I mean, she knows all those words. So I've got some other books for her to do some like reading and maths exercises. So I think I'm going to declutter those. It's not too bad, just a handful of books. We don't have a ton of books really that the kids don't read or haven't read, so I've been trying to go more to the library and borrow books instead of buying books. Hey, me again. So it's actually a few days later. I didn't end up vlogging on my birthday, and then the following day my husband took the day off from work and took me out for lunch. We actually did get a couple more life admin things done when we went to the shopping centre to have brunch, because on the way there we took a whole lot of the books and the puzzles. I just had them all boxed up, and we took them to an organisation called Lifeline, and they do, I think it might be a quarterly or monthly. It's quite frequent. They do like a big books sale. I think it's books, puzzles, games, CDs and DVDs, and so they're always looking for really good quality donations. And because I wasn't able to sell that other stuff online, I just thought I need to get it out of my home. It'll be going to a good cause. It'll be going to people that can use it and enjoy it. So we dropped the box off at Lifeline, and then we went and had brunch, and then just did a couple of errands at the shopping centre. Still haven't cleaned the bathrooms, I have to admit, or folded my washing. I've actually been doing more laundry, washing more clothes, so I'm going to have a stack of laundry to fold this weekend. But you guys have all seen me clean bathrooms and fold laundry before. In fact, there's a video that I'll link up in the card above that is my last, I think my previous video to this one, and it's like a major cleaning motivation video, so you can go check that out. And before I go, I just wanted to let you know that I'm still decluttering. I'm actually planning on doing a full declutter of my house again. It's been nearly 2 years since I did the full, oh no, it's been over nearly 3 years, sorry, since I did like a full KonMari of my house. And I'm wanting to declutter again, not so much the KonMari method, it's more my own method. But if you're struggling with decluttering and you just need help getting started, I actually have something really special for you. You can go to my website, and I've actually got a free mini course. So it's videos, and I basically talk you through the best way to get started decluttering, and I focus on 3 key areas that I find are often bugbears for busy mums, busy parents. I go through 3 modules. You get checklists to go with it. It's totally free. All you need to do is sign up with your email. I'll leave the link below so you can do that there. I'd love to know what you think of this mini course. I'm really excited to put that out there for you guys. A lot of people want to declutter in New Year, but I think leading up to Christmas, it's good just to get a little bit of a start, particularly on things like toys and seasonal decor. It's good to get rid of that stuff before Christmas. And a lot of people are looking for good quality secondhand toys and secondhand seasonal decor for their own homes that you could easily donate or sell if it's worth something. Go check out the link in the description below. It'll link to my website, and you'll be able to sign up for the mini course there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!